Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the U.S. diversity visa. This comes up once a year. There's what's called a visa lottery, diversity visa lottery. Under U.S. law, it's kind of an interesting law. It basically stipulates that there's a diversity visa lottery wherein people can be granted permanent residence in the United States via visa lottery if they're from nationalities which are deemed to be underrepresented in the United States. So there's certain nationalities that are heavily represented in the U.S. An example of this is like Philippines and Mexico. There's a lot of folks of that nationality that have immigrated to the USA. So they're not going to, generally speaking, to the best of my knowledge, they're not going to be able to, probably China is the same way, they're not going to be able to enter the diversity visa lottery. But, you know, if you're from Cameroon or Antigua and Barbuda or someplace like this, or Thailand, it fits the bill, you may be able to enter the visa lottery, and if you get lucky, literally lucky, it's a lottery, you may hit and get in, you know, you may be able to apply for a green card to the United States under that statutory scheme. The reason for the video, though, look, there's a lot of scams that tend to pop up around diversity visa time. You know, people come out and they say they can help with it. They can insure it. They can do this. They can do that. No, it's a lottery. It's random. You know, really, honestly, there's not a lot of assistance anybody can provide. People ask me from time to time if I assist in diversity cases. If they're approved, like if they win the lottery, I've consulted people in the past. I've never actually completed a diversity visa case. It's just never come up. But I have consulted folks before who have been approved on their underlying petition, and they're going to go ahead and process through on their green card. Yeah, I mean, it's possible. For the most part, especially sort of the first part of the process, just getting into the lottery, you pretty much go online to the U.S. government websites and deal with it oneself. Now, consular processing, if you're approved, if you win the lottery, consular processing through an embassy or consulate may not be a terrible idea to contact an immigration attorney, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed. But, you know, short of that, I don't know. And visa agents and all of these folks that claim a million different things, be careful with that. It's pretty much a scam. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Just be leery, be aware that there are scam artists out there who like to prey on folks that are seeking out the U.S. diversity visa.